Oh, matron, you better believe it, we're back. And we're going to do an abandoned farm. It's supposed to be somewhere along this track. So, we'll have a look. Now, I know there isn't much to this place, but I've got a little bit of history that I can tell you about when we get there. Yeah, all I'll say is it's in the Wakefield area. Let's have a look now. Somebody else having a look round. Let's see. I have got some history of this place somewhere. Hold on. There we are.
Yeah.
So let's have a look. So, the history. Apparently it was owned by somebody called Kenneth Lee. He bought the farm and opened a falconry centre, backed by funding from Wakefield Council, who had previously owned the site. 9 eagle owls kept at the farm and trained in Lee were signed up by Warner Brothers and used in the film Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Can you believe that? However, Wakefield Council will eventually pull out from the funding in 2008, and an eviction notice was served on Lee. An inspection stated that some of the birds appeared to be in poor state. The RSPCA carried out an investigation. They discovered a number of birds, including owls, falcons, hawks, buzzards, chickens, were injured. Emaciated and caked in dirt, 7 dead birds of prey were found in Mr. Lee's freezer. And in May 2009, Lee pleaded guilty to 17 charges of neglect involving 51 specialist birds and was jailed for 12 weeks. The farm fell into disrepair and it's never recovered. Wow. And all that is left now, apparently, is a pile of bricks. There you go, guys. Wow. Look at this place. Holy crap. Not much left at all. Let's have a look. Disappointing, that. Thought there might have been a bit more to it than that. It's completely gone, hasn't it? It's one of the buildings, guys. An old brickwork. Wow. Let's follow this path then. Oh wow. Check this out, guys. More crumbling buildings. Wow, look at this. Hey, I bet this place was I bet it was a nice farm back in day. Old don't know what that was. Old garages, maybe. So guys, I'm thinking in the next few days I found an RAF base, an abandoned RAF base. Apparently you can get in. Could be builders. It could be builders in there. Look at that. But yeah, what do you fancy? Do you reckon I should go? Yeah, it's near Hull. Bit of a drive for me, but yeah, there's lots of buildings in there. There's a gun range. There's yeah, I imagine there'll be all sorts. There'll be underground and all sorts of stuff, tunnels, and let's have a look over here, guys. I don't know what's over here. Somebody's had a fire. Let's look over here. What's this? Is it a stream or something? Don't know. I'll check it out before we go and have a look. Thought there might be a stream down there. Nothing. Nothing, guys. Fence all broken down. So yeah, I'm thinking going to this RAF base. Apparently it's quite easy to get in. We've just got to watch out for builders, because they're moving in now at builders. There's going to be some construction going on. Yeah, and it's supposed to be amazing. So yeah, what do you reckon, guys? I reckon I should do it. I'm still waiting to do this Leeds walkabout video. That's where I get all my views and my subscribers from, you know. So I am going to do that. I don't know, we'll see when. Maybe Sunday, I'm not sure. Yeah. There you go, guys. Like I said, not much to this place. It's all collapsed and old buildings, all. Yeah. Disappointing, to be fair, but there you go. I just thought I'd have a quick look. Building over there. So yeah, they use the birds in Harry Potter from this farm until he started being cruel, and they closed the place down, and it's look at the state of it now. I think it was 2009 it all shut down. It's a right state, isn't it? Wow. So that's it, guys. Just a quick video. Might as well keep you on, and I will show you the canal. It's quite nice around here. There's another building here, look. What's this? See, I never saw. God. Fell down that bloody hole then. Bloody hell. Now watch me footing, guys. Just fallen down a frigging hole. Oof. There we go. What's this? Looks like an old fireplace, doesn't it, there? Yeah. So yeah, my next videos, I think, RAF base near Hull, called RAF Driffield, if you want to know what it's called. Apparently can get in and there's loads to explore. It might be a couple of videos, that. And the Leeds walkabout video, because I haven't done a walkabout video for a while. And I've noticed my explore videos gets, I don't know, 200-300 views, whereas my walkabout videos I get into thousands of views. So yeah, I definitely need to do Leeds and Bradford walkabout at some point. It's coming soon, guys. Yeah. Bloody hell. I just wish YouTube existed 30 years ago, 20 years ago. Wow. I've been exploring places like this for years, since I was a kid. Climbing buildings. Me and my mate Mark, we used to climb. We used to climb all over Dewsbury. Went on bloody bank roofs and all sorts. Before all cameras. We used to just like climbing. What can I say? So go up scaffolding and yeah. But there you go, guys. That's it. That's the old farm. I've seen a load of cars parked at the end of here. Thought they were all dogging, but they're not. They're just bleeding dog walkers. Matron. yeah, so I shall show you the canal. It's really nice, and then we'll call it quits, and I'll be loading another video in the next few days, guys, so get ready for that. Hopefully Sunday or Monday there'll be another video up. I don't know what I'm going to be doing next, but there you go, you will see. Oh, yeah, wow. Anyway, at least sun's out. Whew. It's muddy on here. Let's have a look. Here we are, guys. Yeah, you see what I mean? I thought they were doggers. But they're not. Yeah, it's a place down there. I don't know where that goes. I'm gonna have to check it out another time. Here we are, look. Yeah, you've got your typical dog walkers. There you go. Check that out. Canal boats. Very nice. Look over here. So that's it, guys. Just a little video. Stay tuned for more videos in the next few days, because there's going to be some bangers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.